Hello guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are still going to continue with our formatting. So we are going to be looking at formatting of cells properly, and we are going to see two different ways you can format cells in Excel. So the first way is to come to this Home tab, click on this Home tab, and then you can see Format here. So we have different options here. Another option is to right click. When you right click, you still see an option for formatting cells. So let's try both. So we start with the first one, which involves our home tab. So in this very example, I would like to let me select this and then go to the format and see what we can do. So the first thing I want to demonstrate is the row height. So we can increase the row height from here using the formatting. So if I click on this row height, currently it's 14.5. I may decide I want it bigger than this and then probably make it 30. Let's just try 30 and see what it gives us. So you can see what it has given us. We can also try column width. So let's give column width 50, for example, just to demonstrate. You can see what we are having. Okay. Now, the auto is just what is will give us the normal size that we need. So if we click on auto row height, it's going to give us the normal size we have here, and auto column width is still going to automatically bring it together. So now there is another thing that you may want to know, which is this hide and unhide. So we may decide to hide rows and hide columns. So if we decide to hide rows and we click on this hide rows, you can see it has hidden our rows. This is also a property of the formatting, the cell formatting. So if we want to bring back our rows, we just come to this place where we have our 14 and we double click on it. So it brings back our rows. Okay. So that is it. And then next thing is we now try the right clicking option. So if we right click here and we come to format cells, we have different options here. We may decide to format the category, the numbers, currencies, or depending on how we want it. We can decide we want it to be in currencies and we click OK. So you can see it has changed it. Though this one is a different topic on its own, which has to do with the formatting of the categories, and we are going to look at it in a subsequent video. So, but for now, let's just still talk about how we can also create alignment with this. So currently, our horizontal text alignment is general. We may decide to left indent it, okay? And for the vertical, it's currently bottom. We may decide to distribute it. And then let's see how it turns out. You can see, okay? Then another thing, when we also right click and we select the format cells, we can decide to work on the font. So we can change this font to Aptos, change it to bold, change the size to 24. Okay, decide to fill it with red, add border to it, and then enter so we can see what it gives us. So these are different ways we can decide to format our cells. There are different strategies we can use to format our cells. We can strike through, we can turn to superscript, All these are things we can do while formatting ourselves. So we either use the method of going through the home, or we may decide to right click on it and still be able to achieve the same aim of our formatting. If you found this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel so that YouTube will continue dishing out the content to other people and they will also learn from it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.